Good morning. Welcome to Gålö. It was quite quiet during the night. Now you can hear some birds that woke me up. I'm just about to eat some breakfast. I just need to make it first. And then we are on our way again towards Huvudskär, sailing away from Gålö. Over there is Gålö. And over there we stayed during night. So now as we round this horn here, we will get some wind. Seems like we might have to tack our way a bit here. We're heading in that direction, and the wind is blowing from there. Now I'm just outside where I were with the kayak a few episodes earlier. So now we're going to tack here, see if we can change course and head in the direction that we want to go into. Forgot the sunscreen. I put on the sunglasses as well. There is a tower over there. That's Gålö Skans. That was a place I visited a couple of seasons ago. We are heading in that direction, but the wind isn't as the forecast told me. It's coming more from the east than from the southwest that the forecast predicted. It was just too slow with only the main, so now I have put up the mizzen, the main, and also the foresail. And the wind will increase, so I probably will have to reef in an hour or two, or perhaps 3, but it was just too boring. I taken down the mizzen as the wind increased a little bit. So I will also have to reef the head sail in a while, but I think it might go all the way up to lunch before I need to do it. And there are some fellow sailors out there, over there. This is Ornö that I'm sailing on the side of. Couldn't be better sailing weather than this. So I found myself in a dead calm position. You see, no wind at all. And it's supposed to be blowing about 4 to 20 knots. But that's no way near that. It is calm over. It's a bit more windy in there, you can see. So it's probably this island that is blocking the wind from me. Maybe it will pick up a bit further out. So I have to take the oars. And then suddenly I have more wind than I want. I have to reef. So it's probably blowing out from that opening over there. I would like to get behind the shelter there of those islands before I reef. Straight ahead is Huvudskär. You can see the small lighthouse there. There are some small islands around, but you can see the open sea in between. This is a tricky passage with grounds all over. Now I just need to find an anchorage. One where I can dry my dry suit. So now I am walking up to the lighthouse. This lighthouse is from 1931. But it has been lighthouses here since 1882. It would be nice to have a look inside. I guess you can't enter. Locked. Here are the remainings from the old lighthouse. Over on the other side of the sea are the Baltics. Let's have a look at the military remainings here on the island. I guess it used to be a bunker under here. Some robot system up here, and they pull it up from this road from the harbor down there quite some time ago. Look, a viper. I almost stepped on it. Basking here in the sun. They are quite venomous. Better watch out. I check out the facilities before I prepare to leave. In the next episode I will continue my adventure from Huvudskär. Please join me then. Thank you for this time.